Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. As some of you know, StepEX announced on its Twitter page that it would launch its mainnet on August 15. In today's video, we will check what benefits we can get from this mainnet. Before we start, be sure that you have subscribed to our channel and turned on notifications to not miss out on our latest videos. Also, you can follow our other social media channels to learn about the latest news and updates related to finance and crypto. Now let's get started. The StepEX project, which we have been following for a long time, has recently activated its mainnet. The company provides lootbox events for those who staked FiTFi tokens since phase 1, and lootbox winners can soon sell their items in the marketplace with the launch of the application itself for the users. The beta version is already on, and if you are staking FiTFi since phase 1, you could get a chance to earn early access to the StepEX beta version. There is no date regarding when the public version will be available, and this app will allow us to transfer FAT points. We can turn them into KCAL tokens and use them as in-game and marketplace tokens. For example, you will need that KCAL token for minting your NFTs. So what should this mainnet mean for us? With the mainnet launch, the company regained the trust back of its investors after the FiTFi price fell from 77 cents to 5 cents per FiTFi. Step Network is the backbone of the Step ecosystem. It ensures StepEX and other Step products bring value to FiTFi while operating on the high-speed and low-cost network, which is optimal for mass consumption. The company aims to make its mainnet accessible through all networks, and 3 days before the launch, the company announced on its Twitter page that it partnered with multi-chain. As you can understand from the name, multi-chain is a cross-chain router protocol for Web3 applications. You will connect your MetaMask wallet to the Step network through this portal. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet yet, you can watch our MetaMask tutorials to learn how to open and use one. Here we can integrate our MetaMask wallet into Step network, and this is not available yet, but you can add your wallet to Step testnet and earn KCAL, USDT and FiTFi tokens in the future. Step network is only one of the many options the company offers. Essentially, this network is supposed to be robust, inclusive, fast, and open. Through the Step network, soon we will see many projects such as Untold and Global Titans. And according to StepEX, the first StepLaunch project is onboarded. In 2 weeks, more than 30 teams applied to Step Ecosystem Fund and StepLaunch. The project focuses on earning through combat sports, utilizes animalistic characters, and connect the masses with the world's most famous champion fighters of UFC and other combat brands. Like in any other launchpad, you need to stake required tokens, in this case FiTFi, to participate in early token sales for the latest projects. Alongside Step Launchpad, Step Network brought its ecosystem fund. This fund will help any successful startup to join the Step ecosystem and benefit from its resources such as marketing power, network, and technology to build an economic value that serves the purposes of this blockchain. And anyone can apply through this Apply Now button. Based on the roadmap, the next step is to launch StepEX. It is going to be the decentralized exchange built in the Step ecosystem. Only 9 days left until its launch, and with it, the SPEX token distribution will start. SPEX will be the native token for this decentralized exchange, and by owning SPEX, you will receive discounts through your transactions. StepEX wants to become more than just a fitness application. One of their goals is to become a DAO, and through the SPEX token, they can achieve that. By owning SPEX tokens, you can vote on ecosystem-related matters such as which projects to launch. Also, you will be able to stake your SPEX tokens and earn passive income through the transactions made within the ecosystem by one of the liquidity providers. There will be a total of 3 billion SPEX tokens, and 7% of distribution be through the lock drop event, and the minimum lock duration is 3 months. There will be a total of 5 phases, and through these phases you can provide liquidity in various tokens and parities. Each will require different tasks to participate in, and the rewards will change based on each time frame. For example, in phase 2 you can provide Ethereum, wrap Bitcoin, and FiTFi on USDC and USDT parities. Meanwhile, in phase 4 you can lock any token such as a metaverse or exchange coin. In addition, the total amount to share SPEX tokens changes in each phase. After the lock drop period, you can continue providing liquidity and earn SPEX as reward. If you provide liquidity for 2 years, you will receive a 15x multiplier on your APR. The more time you invest, the more you will receive from the ecosystem. We will come back with more news and updates once the StepEX is on, and until then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications, and follow our Telegram channel to not miss out on our latest videos and crypto related updates. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.